Ooh, look back there. Look at that big black one back there.
Oh. Got a BBB. Oh, look at that. Look at that fall. I'm gonna launch one right in there.
Yeah, let's get him up. Here they come, here they come.
Let's see if I can pull one out of this mess.
Oh, there's a huge one.
Oh, look at that! Look, he don't even know he's hit. Oh, oh man, he don't even know he's hit yet. That's a fatty! Holy cow, that's a fatty! That's a fatty! Don't lose him, Zach. That's the biggest one yet. Don't let him shoot him again. Go! No! 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 Oh no! That was a 45-pounder! Oh my god! That was the biggest one yet. Oh, I am sick. I am sick. That was the biggest one of the trip, easily. That thing was humongous. Man. That's why we come to the Bay of Pigs. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Hey, Tim. I'm awesome. You are awesome. Ladies, my number will be right here at the bottom of the screen if you want to go. I'm single. Just.
It is gardening? Yeah, maybe I ain't seen anybody else use those for anything but. Yeah, so it's legal to kill them. It's always open season, you can just slaughter them and throw them right back in the water. Crazy, huh? No, it'll die. Could heal up if it went to like tail or something, but. Yeah, it is.
Here's my 2013 bow setup. Shooting a PSC Riley. I added a bunch of stuff to it though. Took off all the stock stuff. I added a string stop right there. Added new strings. If you're gonna get this bow, get the strings redone because the strings are pretty crappy. I went to my archery pro shop. They did them for me in Hunter's Orange. They look pretty sweet. The camera really doesn't do it justice. Got this Fuse Axiom. That's a sweet stabilizer. I find it works very, very well, and I'm hitting tighter groups than ever. The Apache Arrow Rest, it works good. Never had any problems with it. Doesn't bounce up on me. Have the G5 sight. This is an XR. Awesome sight. If you're gonna like buy a cheaper bow, get a better sight for it than like the Trophy Ridge one or whatever it comes with, because they're pretty crappy. I don't like them. These ones are so easy to adjust, and like I can sight my bow in 2 seconds. I'm shooting a Scott's Release. It's nice. It's a buckle one. I had a True Ball Velcro, but Velcro makes noise and buckles don't. So, and his hair trigger, like hardly touching it. Yeah, so that's basically the setup. It's a 50-pound bow. I'd like it to be heavier, but when I bought it, that's what I could pull back. So I believe this is probably the best setup. First time, I got 2 of them. That's pretty good, not gonna lie. That's a small target at 15 yards. Well, try it again, but I don't think it's gonna get much better than that. Really close up.